opening this. I'm so excited.
What is that? What's that?
Daddy show Ali ko basket.
What's this? What's this?
ಅಲ್ಬೇಡ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡೋರ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇಡು. ಬಾಯಿ ಇದು ಕಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಯಿ ದೇವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಕಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬಿಡು ಅದು
ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ
ದೇವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಕಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
open it.
ಇದನ್ನ ಫ್ರಿಜ್ಗೆ ಇಕ್ಕಂಗೆ
Wait, where do I keep this one?
ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ
Gosh, there's so many of them. Okay, let's try one. Hey, I'm gonna try one. Some of them are broken, which is okay.
Yeah.
They're stuck to it. Lol.
Wait.
Okay.
Oh, there's bubble wrap. Oh my god. Guys, there's bubble wrap.
Lol. Okay, here.
Where's the chocolate? Where's more chocolate?
Yeah, there's like so many of them.
Alright, we're gonna. Oh my god. Wait.
Yeah,
I
like and
also-
subscribe right away.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Yeah.
Yeah, look
Wait, one second.
No, look.
Sorry,
Let's try it. Let's try
sorry.
taste. It's actually good. It's like,
Okay, guys, this has to be the best chocolate.
I know, it's like a very good.
To people who
Yes.
come in Malaysia or in Malaysia, you guys should go try this out.
Twin Tower one.
Yeah, it's super good. Like really good. Like really good, guys.
It's so good, man. I've been waiting to try it.
Mm-hmm.
It's very good.
Mm-hmm.
Because
To all travelers who are currently in Malaysia, you guys should go try this out. It's like really
yeah.
good.
It's like a egg. What do you call it? Like an egg checks. The egg. There's an egg chocolate and it tastes like the same as this one.
Yeah, it's super good. You guys should go try it.
What even is that?
Yeah, it's a Twin Tower. The Twin Tower chocolate is really good. Guys, no cap, but it's actually really good. Yeah, there's like 1, 2, 3. Wait, no. 4.
Oh, so good.
Guys, there's like 8 in total.
Huh?
To people who have been in Malaysia or have in Malaysia right now, y'all should go try the Twin chocolate. The Twin Tower chocolate. It's like really good.
I'm so tired.
Alright, y'all. That's it for the video. We out.
Bye.
Bye.